Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Cozy modern outdoor living space, surrounded by lush tropical greenery, featuring a sleek dark wooden pavilion with a slatted roof. The scene captures a serene area with a spacious wooden deck adorned with comfortable gray seating and a low wooden table holding a bowl of vibrant oranges. In the background, a vertical garden bursts with colorful flowers, integrating nature with the contemporary setting. A tranquil water feature with smooth stones complements the space, while tropical plants frame the scene, including large leafy ferns and vibrant blooms. Luxurious outdoor pool scene in a tropical garden, emphasizing a hyper-realistic aesthetic. The setting features a serene, crystal-clear pool surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant tropical plants, including bright pink flowers and verdant leaves. The pool is framed by light wooden decking, which invites relaxation. Cozy, woven seating areas with plush cushions are positioned nearby, enhancing comfort and style. Soft sunlight filters through the surrounding trees, casting gentle shadows and creating a tranquil ambience. Create a serene and luxurious tropical retreat scene, featuring a modern outdoor living space that seamlessly blends with nature. The focal point is a crystal-clear, turquoise swimming pool that reflects sunlight, surrounded by sleek wooden decking. Incorporate a stunning waterfall cascading from natural stone, surrounded by lush greenery, including vibrant tropical plants and ferns. The background showcases large glass windows of a contemporary house that exudes an inviting ambience with warm lighting. Use soft textures for outdoor furniture, including a large sectional sofa adorned with plush cushions in varying shades of blue and gray. A modern architectural residence featuring large glass windows, surrounded by a lush tropical garden. The pathway leading to the entrance is made of sleek gray stepping stones, flanked by vibrant flowers in hues of orange and pink, and diverse greenery. A tranquil pond filled with colorful koi fish reflects the surrounding nature, with mountains in the background shrouded in a gentle morning mist. The setting is illuminated by soft natural light, highlighting the rich colors of the flora and the dark, minimalist facade of the house. Modern villa interior with a serene pool area, hyper-realistic style. The scene features a rectangular swimming pool tiled with deep blue mosaic tiles, reflecting the sunlight and surrounded by lush tropical foliage. In the background, large glass walls showcase a cozy living space with elegant furniture, including a sofa and armchairs positioned for relaxation. The ambience is tranquil, with neutral tones in the furnishings balanced by vibrant green plants. Soft natural lighting floods the area, creating an inviting atmosphere. A tranquil garden scene featuring a softly cascading waterfall flowing into a serene pond surrounded by lush greenery. The setting includes a wooden bridge arching gracefully over the water, with vibrant green lily pads floating gently atop the surface. A wooden gazebo in the background, topped with a thatched roof, provides a cozy focal point. The atmosphere is filled with rich, earthy tones of deep greens and warm browns, illuminated by soft, diffused natural light filtering through the dense canopy above. Modern tropical villa with an infinity pool reflecting sunlight, surrounded by lush greenery. The architecture features large glass windows and smooth wooden accents, providing a seamless blend with nature. The pool is a deep turquoise color, contrasting with the light wooden deck and the vibrant tropical plants in reds, greens, and yellows. The scene is bathed in warm, natural light, emphasizing the serene and luxurious atmosphere. The background includes rolling green hills, suggesting a tranquil escape. A modern luxurious home nestled in a vibrant tropical setting, featuring a sleek architectural design with large glass windows and wooden accents. The scene captures a sunlit backyard with a sparkling blue swimming pool, surrounded by lush greenery and an array of colorful tropical flowers, such as red, orange, and purple blooms. The wooden deck, extending from the house, showcases comfortable wicker lounge chairs arranged invitingly alongside the pool, creating a serene spot for relaxation. The aesthetic leans towards hyperrealism, with vivid colors and sharp details that emphasize the lush environment and elegant design elements. Modern two-story villa nestled in a lush tropical environment, featuring large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that invite natural light. The house is designed in a minimalist style with a flat roof and a combination of natural wood and sleek concrete materials. A serene infinity pool runs alongside the house, reflecting the clear blue sky. Surrounding the pool, vibrant tropical plants and colorful flowers create a lively atmosphere, with hints of red and orange blooms contrasting against the deep greens of the foliage. The wooden deck extends from the house, adorned with stylish, woven loungers for relaxation. Tropical oasis featuring a serene swimming pool with a cascading waterfall, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant plant life. The scene is hyper-realistic, showcasing the intricate details of natural textures and colors. The pool has crystal clear turquoise water, reflecting the sunlight that filters through the trees above. Rich, earthy tones of stone complement the vibrant greens, while comfortable lounge chairs sit invitingly along the pool's edge. The background reveals a modern, open-air structure, seamlessly integrated with nature, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere of a luxury retreat. Sunlit tropical retreat featuring a serene swimming pool with crystal clear turquoise water, surrounded by lush greenery. The scene captures a harmonious blend of nature and modern living, with a cozy outdoor lounge area visible through large glass doors. A natural stone waterfall cascades gracefully into the pool, adding a calming soundscape. The aesthetic leans toward hyperrealism, highlighting the vivid colors of the greenery, deep greens, earthy browns, and hints of golden sunlight filtering through the trees. tropical oasis scene featuring a serene, crystal-clear pool with natural rock formations and a waterfall cascading into the water. Surrounding the pool are lush, vibrant green tropical plants and palm trees, creating a feeling of seclusion and tranquility.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.